You would think this seems pretty obvious to not intentionally lie about a policy just to get a sale, but it happens more times than I'd like to say. Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. Hey guys, in this episode, we are going to talk about why lying about a competitor's policy to get a sale is unethical. You would think this seems pretty obvious to not intentionally lie about a policy just to get a sale, but it happens more times than I'd like to say. I have lost count how many times that I have ran across this in the field about an agent just blatantly lying about a policy, maybe of mine or somebody else's, just to get a sale. This should not happen, but oftentimes it is desperate agents doing desperate things. As a life insurance agent, we should hold ourselves to a higher standard to make sure that we're taking care of our clients the best possible way, and to only put them into better situations. We should only leave them in a better situation if we're going to get them a policy, and if we cannot leave them in a better situation, we just leave them where they're at. That should be the standard. Having to lie about a policy of a competitor just to get a sale is completely unethical and should not be done. At the end of the day, we serve the client, and if we do not serve them correctly, we are failing miserably at our job. Like I said, this is something that should not have to be said or be taught about, but unfortunately it occurs a lot in our industry, and as a result of the unethical agents doing unethical things, I'm not sure where they get it from. Is it they're doing it on their own accord, or are they being taught this by unethical managers? I'm not sure. I think it's a little bit of both, but if you're a part of this, you need to stop at the end of the day. If you're writing bad business, it will come back to haunt you in the form of a chargeback, or even worse, a complaint with the Department of Insurance. Because when you lie about a policy, it can put the insured in a very bad situation. Oftentimes, people who are doing this are not thinking about what the actual repercussions can be. They're just trying to draw that quick commission. So when you do this, you're taking them out of a policy that will pay and putting them into a contestability period. You could be doing things like soliciting them a non-tobacco policy when they should be in a tobacco-graded policy. You could just be clean sheeting an application just so that way it gets approved, and you could be restarting their contestability period, and if they pass away in the first 2 years, they can discover that misstatement and not pay out. All of this happens when you go into a house more motivated to draw a commission than you are to serve your clients. At the end of the day, that is what it all comes down to. Being selfishly motivated to draw a commission versus being focused on serving our clients. The thing that I have learned being in the business as long as I have is if you take care of the clients, serve them correctly, and do your job correctly, there will be more than enough sales to go around. You will make a great living, and you'll be here for a really long time to be able to have a good living for you and your family. So if you intentionally lie about policies just to get a sale, I highly encourage you to stop. Today, don't write any more business that way. It's not too late to change course. To sell ethically, serve your client the right way, put yourself second, put your client first. I hope you received something valuable here. If you have any questions, comment below. Be sure to subscribe so that way you catch all our latest content, and we will see you in the next episode.